Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're working with data in the cloud, you've probably heard these two names a lot: Azure Data Factory and Databricks. They both promise to help you build powerful data pipelines, but they couldn't be more different. So which one do you actually need? Today, we're going to put them head to head to help you decide which tool wins for your specific use case. First up, we have Azure Data Factory or ADF. Think of ADF as the ultimate data orchestrator. Its main job is to move data from one place to another. It is a low-code, no-code visual tool where you drag and drop different activities to build a data pipeline. Its primary function. ADF is a true ETL or ELT tool. You use it to ingest data from hundreds of different sources, from databases and data lakes to APIs and SaaS applications, and then load it into a new destination. Best for what? This is your go-to for simple data movement and scheduling. Do you need to copy a file from a website to a data lake every hour? Or move data from on-premise database to the cloud every night? ADF is perfect for that. It is like a smart conveyor belt for your data. Now let's talk about Databricks. While ADF is about moving data, Databricks is all about processing and analyzing data. It is a unified analytics platform built on top of Apache Spark, which is a powerful engine for processing massive amounts of data. Databricks is where the heavy lifting happens. You use it to run complex code in Python, Scala, or SQL within notebooks. This is where you would do things like transform raw data, build machine learning models, or run sophisticated business analytics. This is your tool for complex transformations in big data processing. Do you need to analyze a terabyte of weblog data or train a machine learning model on a large dataset? Databricks is built for that scale. It is like a high-performance race car for your data. Let's summarize the key differences. For the primary job, ADF is for orchestration and data movement. Databricks is for computation and processing. For the user interface, ADF is visual and low-code. Databricks is code-centric and notebook-based. For the cost model, ADF charges you per activity run. Databricks charges for the compute resources you use. For the bigger picture, ADF is the manager of your data pipelines. Databricks is the worker that does the heavy lifting. So, which one do you really need? The surprising answer is you need both. The most powerful solutions in the modern data world use these two tools together. You use Azure Data Factory to ingest and schedule your data. Then, you use ADF to trigger a Databricks notebook to do the complex processing and transformation. Once Databricks is done, ADF can take that processed data and load it into your final destination like a data warehouse. They're not competitors. They're complementary tools that create a complete end-to-end data solution.